This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zebronics Thunder Max headphones. To begin, locate the power button on the right ear cup. Press and hold it for approximately 3 seconds. You'll see the LED indicator light up, and a clear voice prompt will confirm power on. This simple step gets your headphones ready for action, ensuring you're powered up and prepared to enjoy your audio experience right away. Once powered on, it's time to connect. Ensure your headphones are in pairing mode, which is indicated by a blinking blue and red LED. Next, open the Bluetooth settings on your device, whether it's your phone, tablet, or computer. Look for Zebronics Thunder Max in the list and select it. A helpful voice prompt will then confirm connected, letting you know you're ready to stream your favorite audio. Controlling your audio is straightforward. Use the dedicated volume up and down buttons to adjust your sound precisely. The multi-function button is versatile. A single press handles play or pause and also answers or ends calls. Double press it to redial the last number, or press and hold for 2 seconds to activate your device's voice assistant, giving you hands-free control. To charge your headphones, connect the included USB-C cable to the port on the left ear cup. A red LED will indicate charging, turning blue when fully charged, which typically takes about 2 hours. For longevity, avoid exposing them to extreme temperatures or moisture. Regularly clean the ear cups and headband with a soft, dry cloth to maintain optimal hygiene and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.